Everybody at work is making fun of me now. Every time I walk up to them, they go, "Bleh!" Right to my face. What are you gonna do? Anyways, what's up guys? Dave here, back again with another episode of Tech Unraveled. Today we got new stuff, new tech in the studio. These are the Xiaomi Mi Air 2 Pro. So you know what we have to do, right? We gotta get this box popped, explore all of its contents. We're gonna do a mic test, we're gonna do an audio test, and we're gonna do a latency test. We're gonna see how that goes. Before we get started, gotta remind you there's an ongoing giveaway happening on this channel. It is almost over. Make sure you click on the link down in the description. I don't want any of you to miss out. And before we start this video, if you're watching and you haven't, make sure you smash that thumbs up and you subscribe, hit the bell. Let's do this. Let's get started. Blah! All right, guys, let's cut into this box. This is a big box for a pair of earbuds. All right, let's see, how does this open? That was pretty easy. My first impression is very, very large. Look how big that is. It's just, for example, here's the Huawei FreeBuds Pro. It is bigger than that. You can see, just maybe because it's all squared off. Here is the, did I say those were the FreeBuds Pro? Those are the FreeBuds 3. These are the FreeBuds Pro. I don't know, maybe it's just the shape. It just seems large in my hand, doesn't fit nice. Let's open it a little more. Ooh, I like that sound. All right, so wireless charging, USB Type-C. You know how that makes me happy. Let's put these off to the side real quick. Let's go a little bit deeper into the box, maybe. Get started guide, some ear tips, A to C cable. Is that really it in this giant box? Nothing else in there, guys. That's a big box. Boom, check it out. That's it right there. One thing I noticed right away is these are not very slippery, so it was very easy for me to pull out. That's something that I struggle with the FreeBuds Pro. Now there is a special way to get those out of the case. We're not talking about that today. They don't make it easy. Let's see, how do they feel? Super light. I think those ear tips are good. Check these things out, guys. All right, so let's do this. Let's start with getting them paired up. Let's see, we're gonna hold this button down here on the side. Hopefully there's juice. Pair new device. Maybe gotta do it with them in there. Let's try that. Mi Air 2 Pro, pair, boom. We're in it to win it. In it to win it. In it to win it. Win it, in it. Let's jump into the YouTube Music app. Get these in my ears. Turn this up. Let's see what we got. Highs are clear. Here comes the bass. Not bad, not bad. I like it. All right, guys. So my initial impressions, it sounds good. I actually want to pop in the FreeBuds Pro really quick. I feel like when the bass is hitting, it's muddying up the highs. So I just want to make sure that it's not me and that it's these headphones. So let's swap these out. This wasn't gonna be a versus challenge, but it's a versus challenge. FreeBuds Pro going in. Here we go. Let's just switch back to these Xiaomi's one more time. Yeah, it's definitely, when the bass is hitting hard, guys, it is definitely distorting the highs. There's definitely an issue. I don't know if there's an app that I can download to update the firmware on these. I was messing around with the QR code that is on the back of the box here, and I think that took me to an app store, but everything was in Chinese and I was unable to read it or really navigate through that process. With that said, let's go ahead and move on to the mic test. All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the Xiaomi Mi Air 2 Pro. How does my voice sound? Let's go ahead and introduce some ambient noise into the background Again, this is the sound of my voice with the Xiaomi Mi Air 2 Pros with ambient noise running in the background. What do you guys think? How does the mic sound? Let me know down in the description below. All right guys, so now we're gonna move on to the latency test. But first, I wanna give a quick shout out. On Twitter the other day, I wrote, hey guys, I need your help. I'm looking for a creative way to do/show a latency test with earbuds on video. Each idea is worth 1,000 internet points. Props to you guys who got them. And you'll get a shout out on the channel. So I want to give a thanks to @Furcon_SMG, and I'm gonna mess this one up, @TheVenusBahada, sorry guy, @D_J, and the last one, here we go, @Ahamadas92275424. Thanks for your assistance, thanks for your help, thanks for your ideas. Even though one of you wanted me to sing karaoke, not doing that. Let's get set up here. So what we're gonna do, guys, I have another audio recorder here. We're gonna set a timer over here. You'll be able to kind of get a good idea as to how long the noise is taking to play through the earbuds. Let's see if we can get this set up. You like this setup, guys, eh? Who needs a tripod? And then what I'm gonna do, guys, is play a little PUBG. You'll be able to hear the gunshots and how long it takes to actually make the sound. Let's go, let's get started. All right, guys, here we go. And I'm probably gonna slow the video down a little bit too, so that way you can really hone in on what's happening here. All right guys, so that's it. What do you think? Let me know in the description below. How does the mic sound to you? How does the latency look to you? Let me know everything down in the description, and don't forget to click on the link for the giveaway. The winner is going to be chosen on October 28th, the last Wednesday of this month. Do not miss your opportunity. All right guys, so that is what I have for you today. If you like this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.